Hello everyone. Today's lesson, you're going to go back to Snurfle Island and we're going to continue our learning of evolution, natural selection, and adaptations. Today is Thursday, December 17th. In your instructions, one, watch the video that's attached. It will be attached very shortly. Two, you will complete the doc that is attached here, and this video gives you the directions as well. And then three, we'll use the Snurfle Island website to play. So you're going to have two things open through today. One is this doc. Two is the Snurfle Island website again. Okay? And so I include the link there so that will take you to the game if you didn't open it in the Google Classroom. So our directions. We will play at least 3 islands other than Fruity Paradise. Reason being is I'm going to do that one as an example. So you do not get to play that one. You have to choose 3 of the other islands. And they're in the first column here. That's why I highlighted it in blue. Your organism must be fit to survive. And you'll know it's fit because at the end of your level, you will see your results, awesome fitness, lots of baby Snurfles with your genes, and you'll see your genes in that yellow trend line greatly increasing over time. If you'd like to play more than 3, so if you want to do 4, 5, 6, or all 7 islands, you can. You'd earn more points that way, presuming that your explanations are accurate. And your explanations are in 2. Determine which adaptations Snurfles need on each island to survive and why. I forgot to add to survive and why. Okay? And we'll do the Fruity Island again as an example, and your adaptations list can be found at the end of the document. So kind of bouncing between this website and here, if you scroll down all the way to the end, you'll have those lists of the adaptations and why you need them. All right. And then there are 3 summary questions at the very end. So once you've made a fit organism, you've explained why your Snurfle needs the adaptations to survive on each island for 3 islands other than Fruity Paradise. You have 3 summary questions here, and you'll type your answer in the highlighted parts. Okay, that is going to be your practice today. So we'll do Fruity Paradise as an example. So I go to my website. I'm going to start a new game. I am not using a touchscreen device, so I click no. You can do this, I believe, on your phone or an iPad. And so we've already done the background together, so you don't have to reread that if you don't want to. We've already done this background part, so you can go back and watch yesterday's lesson, or you can click on it and read through it and review on your own. Sorry. Accidentally hit the microphone there. And so we'll go into play the game. Okay? And so I have to remind myself, Fruity Paradise, lots of fruit and no predators. This is a Snurfle Paradise, but will you be the fittest Snurfle and pass on the most genes? I do know that lots of fruit and no predators. So I'm gonna go back to the main menu, play the game, and since I know there's no predators and lots of food, I'm going to do the lightning feat. I want to move a little bit faster, but that's all I'm going to do. I'll click on it and I'll go here, and so I am able to move pretty quickly. Yum, 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 yum. And so as I'm playing through the level, I'm trying to get as many points as I can because I need survival points in order to pass on my genes. Fortunately, I don't have to worry about any threats, which is nice. Lots of food, lots of food. Am I able to get this food up here? Nope, I guess not. I don't have the necessary traits in order to do that. I can't go back for that food either. So I don't have the necessary traits to get all the food, which is fine. I guess I'll maybe live. I needed 20 points. I have 90. Phew. So let's see what happens. Great job. You survived and found true love. Now let's see how well you pass your genes on to future generations. Look at that. I have my graph where I have awesome fitness and lots of baby Snurfles with my genes. That matches what the graph has to look like here. Okay? And so when I played, it says that I'm very fit for this environment and my genes will pass on to the future generations. So I can make a couple notes here. Adaptations Snurfles need to survive the island, and why? Need is like a must have. You absolutely have to have these traits. And so the only trait I used was the lightning feat. But did I really need the lightning feat? Probably not. And so while I used lightning feat, I didn't actual need that trait. I saw that no traits are needed here because there are no predators and lots of food. Okay? That one's pretty straightforward because, no traits needed, not predators. I could have gone and moved through slowly, even though I chose to add the lightning feat. Your jobs now, as we did that as an example, just like how I played through Foodie Paradise, choose 3 other islands. You can do more if you want, but pick 3 others. Play through, make your Snurfle have very fit results, and explain which traits or which adaptations your Snurfle needed to have on the island to survive, and briefly explain why. Your adaptation list is here, and after you've chosen at least 3 other islands to play, summarize what you've learned. Okay? So you have to do all 3 parts to receive your full credit today. I posted that this assignment is due tonight at midnight, but I really do hope that if it's not turned in today, you definitely get it turned in tomorrow before winter break. Uh, we mentioned that as a 7th grade team, we wouldn't have any office hours today. However, if you do want to meet and go over anything or check in, message me and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Have an awesome day. I will save this video and add it very shortly.